Today, we delve deep into the battle between two titans of the tire world, Continental's PremiumContact 7 and Michelin's Primacy 4 Plus. Focusing purely on performance, we examine how these tires fare in wet, dry conditions, and critically, their rolling resistance. Let's get rolling! In the relentless rain, the Continental PremiumContact 7 stands out with its exceptional braking, stopping 1.3 meters shorter than the Primacy 4 Plus. It also dominates in lap time and lateral acceleration, proving its superior grip and handling in wet conditions. Michelin's Primacy 4 Plus, however, claims the throne in aquaplaning resistance, showcasing unmatched control in heavy rain. This balance between braking and aquaplaning resistance paints a picture of two tires designed to excel in diverse wet environments. On dry asphalt, the PremiumContact 7 continues to lead, demonstrating superior dry braking and handling. This tire's design ensures it remains unshakable, whether on straightaways or tight corners, marking it as a top contender for dry weather performance. In the realm of noise and comfort, Michelin's Primacy 4 Plus shines, offering a ride that's not just about getting you from A to B, but doing so with unmatched tranquility and comfort. It's a clear win for Michelin, appealing directly to those who value a peaceful journey. Efficiency meets performance in the rolling resistance battle. The Michelin Primacy 4 Plus boasts a slightly lower rolling resistance coefficient than the Continental, indicating better fuel efficiency and a lighter environmental footprint. This marginal difference highlights Michelin's commitment to sustainability without compromising on performance. Choosing between the Continental PremiumContact 7 and Michelin's Primacy 4 Plus depends on what you value most. For those prioritizing wet and dry grip, the Continental is a formidable choice. If comfort, quietness, and efficiency are your benchmarks, then Michelin leads the way. Both tires represent the pinnacle of touring tire technology, each with its own strengths to suit different drivers' needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.